Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I want to talk about this gray suit that I made. So let's get started. So welcome everyone. If you're returning, welcome back. If you are new here, then hi, my name is Denise, and today's video is one of my latest Minerva projects. I am a Minerva brand ambassador, so that means I am gifted fabric generally about once a month. I will choose something, and this time around what I chose is this here. This is some extra that I have left over. It is I got my notes here, light gray stretch woven fine gabardine twill, which is a mouthful, but it's a very nice fabric. I never used a gabardine twill before, so it's woven, it's got a little bit of stretch to it, but it's pretty lightweight. You know, sometimes twill can be a bit thicker, but this is not. So I was very happy when I got this fabric. So for the project I did, it's Butterick 6740. This is a pattern that is, I believe it's still available. I have made the pants before, and I've made this top before in a black and white. And I think I have some pictures with the black and white top and the gray pants that I made most recently. But this is the first time I did the jacket, the short one here. It's a very nice pattern and not difficult to make. But with this project, it was actually pretty simple. I believe I started with the pants first. The pants do have pockets on the sides. The zipper is in the back. So if that's not your thing, then you can either move the zipper, I guess, or choose like a different pants pattern if you wanted to make an outfit like this. But yeah, I found it pretty easy, and I have the pants that I made previously. I made them in black, and they are really nice. It's a nice dress type pants look, so I decided to go with the suit, making the jacket to go with the pants since I had enough material, and I really haven't done a suit type of look before in a very long time. So it was kind of nice to get that done. Now, as far as any changes that I made, I did not make actually additional changes to the pattern this time around. What I normally do, and I did with this pattern previously, is on the pants I do have to shorten, usually like the inseam in the front. One thing I've noticed is when I do make pants, if it is a dressy, like a dress pants pattern like this, not something that's more form-fitting, say, or fitting closer to the body like jeans would be, that I don't necessarily have to make an adjustment for the backside, but I generally will have to take in maybe 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch inseam on the front, so it's not real long. So I had done that previously, so I actually didn't have to make any additional adjustments to the pattern this time around, which was great. This fabric was very easy to work with. I will leave you a link to that fabric. Hopefully it's still available, and I think they had other colors as well, but it washed and dried fantastic. You know, I always put everything in the washer and dryer, so that turned out well. The only thing I did not do that the pattern calls for is to put 3 buttons in the front. I did not do that, and one of the main reasons is because I didn't have buttons here that I wanted to put on the jacket. So I just left the buttons off, and it actually looks good. I was just going to do, if I wanted to close it, I was just going to use like a brooch, you know, to close it up, but it's been fine just the way it is. So I really like this. The fabric is fantastic. Now, another change besides the buttons, or actually not adding the buttons in the jacket, another change that I made is, for some reason, the pattern instructions call for you to interface the entire front pieces of the jacket. I did not do that. I didn't think it was necessary, and even with the lightweight interfacing, that would sort of stiffen it up, and I didn't want that. what I did is there is like a 2-inch strip that goes down the front. It's where the center front fold is, and if I was to put the buttons on, that's where they would be sewn. So what I did is I just basically interfaced that little strip, and that was sufficient unless the fabric that you're using is really flimsy. But what the pattern actually calls for is not anything like that. It says crepe, linen, cotton blends, brocade, gabardine. Those are the recommended fabrics, so I don't see why you would even need to put that much interfacing in the jacket. The jacket has princess seams in it, so it's great for fit, you know, if you need to do adjustments or something like that. Or I just like how princess seams give better shaping. It's not boxy, and it comes in at the waist. It makes you look like you look better than you actually might. So that's why I like those. But otherwise, this was a great project. Fairly easy to put together. The jacket is unlined also, by the way, so that makes it a little bit faster and easier to do. And there's no pockets in the jacket, just the pant. But I really do like this. I really like the pattern. So if you have any questions or comments about anything in the video, please leave them down below. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe to my channel. And as I say, I appreciate you for watching. I thank you for your time. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.